Hey guys, today we have some real serious steaks that we're gonna cook up. We have some Tomahawk Ribeyes. These are about 3 pounds each, and we're gonna season them up and throw them on the grill. All right guys, so we're gonna season these with a very simple seasoning. We're gonna do salt, pepper, garlic. I have some sea salt here. We're also gonna hit it with some fresh ground black pepper and then our garlic powder. You can also use minced garlic if you like. Make sure to get both sides and all around on these steaks. We want them seasoned well. Once that grill's preheated about 350, 400, don't get it too hot. We're gonna put the steaks on and we're gonna cook about 5 minutes. After 5 minutes, rotate them 90 degrees. And what that's gonna do is give them that nice checkerboard pattern on each side of the steaks. So after another 5 minutes, we're gonna flip them over and do the same thing here. Now at this point, you're gonna wanna start checking the internal temperature of the steak. We're gonna cook to temperature, not time. And once you reach your desired internal temp, that's when you pull them off. I pulled these off at 125 degrees internal. They raised about another 8 degrees to medium rare. And then that's about it. Top with a little butter and enjoy.